Okay, so this one just did like scrambled eggs and put in some little bacon bacon bits that you get them in the salad aisle. And I'll go ahead and try this one. See how this turns out. Probably made a little bit much, but that's okay. Okay. So get that out of the way. And then put a little bit of cheese in here. I don't think we can go crazy because I don't have a lot of room to move here, but does that look okay?
Mm-hmm.
I always can use more cheese. Alright. Then go ahead and fill that in. Don't want to go crazy because it's going to make a mess. This looks delightful, except for the mess I'm making.
Cheese mixed, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll figure it out.
Might burn on the lid though.
It's fine. You're whispering like nobody's going to hear you. It'll be okay. It'll be fine. Alright. Alright, we'll come back in a minute. We'll see how that went. Okay, so coming back now. This is the eggs and bacon and cheese. I'll go ahead and lift that up. Drop it on the plate. Alright. Knife and fork. So eggs, bacon, and cheese. And what else do we put in here?
That's it.
Like scrambled eggs. Let that one go a little bit longer so it's a little crunchy. So there's that.
Probably could have put more cheese.
Mm-hmm. Maybe a little bit. It's never enough cheese. The other one I'm not going to pick up because it's got like cheese and syrup. I poured syrup on the egg one. So we'll see what this tastes like. Alright.
Hot.
Club. I'll try the berry one first. Hopefully that's not too bad. So we got that. It's the first time trying this, so we'll see how it works. And we did some cream cheese with berries. So I'm assuming it just goes in there?
I think you let it cook. You let it cook first, I think.
I don't think so. Do we let it cook? No, we can't let it cook because it's going to go in the middle. Because on the other one, they just sprinkle it all over. This is a little goopy, but pretty sure you just put it right in there. It's going to try. I don't know if I left enough room to put batter on top. We'll find out in a second here. Okay, I think that's enough.
Maybe a little bit more.
I don't want to overflow because because those have to go in there. Maybe a little bit more. I just don't want it to overflow because it'll be a mess if it does. I think that's probably good enough. All right. I don't know how long this is supposed to go for. Is it supposed to beep? Should have probably read the directions first, but why would I want to do that? That's no fun. It is kind of steaming. There it is. Right there. Now the hole. It'll say caution hot. Well, there you go. Let's see what we got. Please don't stick. Oh, it's so pretty. Hold on a second. Now I'm assuming, oh my god, this is going to make a mess. Here, we'll just set it in the center.
Oh my god.
Crack her open. Let's see what we got. Oh, who's your daddy? Look how tasty that looks. Oh my god. Yeah, so this one I just did like cream cheese and berries and mixed a little bit of sugar in and some vanilla in the... I used like Hungry Jack. I don't know where the box is at now. Here, hang on a second. Oops. That's all I used. Nothing exciting. It's like buttermilk complete. But looks pretty yummy. So this one, here's the cheese. Turned out pretty good. Yum. Oh, look at the cheese coming out of there. It looks tasty. Hard to cut with one hand and record at the same time, but that's okay. It works better with two people trying to do this, but let that one go a little bit longer there, but you get the idea. Alright, so first we're going to try I'll try this one because I've already made a mess of everything. Actually, no, I wonder if I could just, maybe I'll just pick it up. Ooh. That's not supposed to be like that. Don't mind me.